outdoor or emergency use, the eTech City Water Filter Straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered fresh water source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
Life is full of exciting milestones, but even the ones you expect can happen before you're ready. InGear's auto safety tools prepare you and your loved ones in an auto emergency, giving you instant peace of mind. Auto Escape by InGear is the most advanced self-rescue tool of its kind. Its military-grade aluminum body is both waterproof and impact-resistant. Its powerful front LED projects 135 lumens on high and boasts a 28-hour SOS mode. Auto Escape allows you to quickly get out of dangerous situations. Its high carbon steel blade instantly slices through seatbelts, and two separate steel tips allow you to easily smash through glass. An included easy access mount keeps Auto Escape within quick reach, ready when and where you need it. As your loved ones hit the open road, trust that Auto Escape's exceptionally equipped auto safety features will keep them safe and out of harm's way. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
This is the Pocket Shot.
This is the Trophy Cam HD Essential, an easy-to-use, ultra-compact trail camera that gives you everything you need to plan the perfect shot. With a 0.3 second trigger speed, this 12 megapixel camera captures high-quality color photos during the day, clear black and white images at night, as well as true 720p HD video with audio. The Essential is also equipped with FieldScan 2x time-lapse mode, allowing users to capture images at preset intervals, perfect for capturing an entire food plot or field. Powered by 8 AA batteries, this camera has an industry-leading 1-year battery life. The Trophy Cam HD Essential, only from Bushnell.